Welcome to Trendy Unboxing.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel.
So today I have Dove shampoo and Indulekha cleanser. I have already put separate reviews of both this product. I will give the link in the description box below. Do watch those videos. Let's speak about Dove shampoo. Able to see the sachet of Dove nutritive solution for dryness care shampoo, and it's for dry hair. Indulekha Bhringha hair cleanser is for hair fall. They claim that it prevents hair fall due to breakage. Cost of Dove shampoo is rupees 4. The cost of Indulekha Bhringha hair cleanser is rupees 5. If you look at the packaging of shampoo, then you will find that Dove is quite big as compared to Indulekha hair cleanser. The net volume of Indulekha shampoo is 7.5 ml. The net volume of Dove shampoo is 8 ml. Dove shampoo makes your hair beautiful, silky, shiny and provide moisture to your hair. While Indulekha shampoo claims that they have used herbs like Bhringha, amla, tulsi, neem, rosemary, shikakai, madayantika, which improves the hair length. It improves your hair health, but I don't think it reduces your hair fall issue. But products which might not work for me might work for you. You can get these sachet shampoos from any general store or at medical store. If you think shampoo sachet is working for you, do purchase bottle. But if you want to stick to sachet shampoos, as shampoo sachet has that much of shampoo only which you need, and in case of shampoo bottle, we may end up taking more shampoo. So, it's my personal opinion to use sachet shampoo only, as it is cost cutting and very cheap. Tell me your views on this video and do let me know which product review you want to see on our channel. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.